In today's video, we are going to show you how to withdraw money from your pocket option directly to your Revolut account. Whether you're cashing out your trading profits for the first time or just want to make sure you're doing everything correctly, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Once you are in the dashboard, make sure your account has been fully verified because Pocket Option requires identity verification before processing most withdrawals. So if you haven't completed verification yet, do that first, all right? Now, if you've done that already, go to the left-hand side and click Finance. You will see the options for deposit, withdrawal, and your transaction history, promo codes, and MySafe. I want you to click the withdrawal to begin the withdrawal process. In the payment method list, select Revolut if it's available in your region. Pocket Option also supports Revolut Pay for Euro and Revolut Bank Transfer for Euro in supported countries. Available payment methods can vary depending on your location. Now, if you don't see Revolut listed, Pocket Option generally requires you to withdraw using the payment method you previously used to make your deposit in accordance with its payment policy. Now, type in the amount you'd like to withdraw, double check that you have enough balance and that there are no active deposit bonuses, because inactive bonuses may affect your available withdrawal amount. If you are using a Revolut bank transfer, I want you to enter the required bank details exactly as they appear in your Revolut account. Carefully review all the information needed before submitting the request because even a small typo could delay the withdrawal. Now click Submit, and then what will happen is Pocket Option will process your request and the funds will be sent once the withdrawal has been approved. Processing times vary depending on the payment method and verification status. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to withdraw money from Pocket Option to your Revolut account. The process is straightforward once your account is fully verified and you're using an eligible withdrawal method. Just remember to carefully review repayment details before submitting your request to avoid unnecessary delays. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.